You ever wonder how they mowed lawns before the gas engine was invented? Or in the old days when they were expensive or heavy? Look at this old Toro. It's a push lawnmower. I used to actually use this when I was a little kid. Not that I'm that old, but it was what my grandma had on her land. And they're actually really cool and a good exercise. Look at that blade just spin. You just walk along and cut that grass like a charm. Oh, looks like the dog discovered something. What's up there, Sadie? What do you see? Are you jumping for joy? What is it? What is it, girl? What do you see? I don't see anything. Leaves, Dad. I see leaves. They haven't been here all year. What's up there? Shh, no bark. I don't see anything. Where? Where is it? No. I don't speak dog, so don't tell me. It's just a pesky squirrel. It's not a rabbit. Come on. Come on. Here, girl. Good girl. Let's go mow that lawn. Come on. You gonna mow for me? What are you looking for? No, stay out of the garden. Yeah, you see that pail of water, don't you? You can't get there. That's for mice, and so is the peanut butter. She actually likes to catch bowls. Well, let's go back to the little old Toro. And that's what it literally is. Let's see what kind of angle. Get a good shot. There. Stuck in here. I did that when I was putting it away a couple years ago, and it didn't even spin fast. It just kind of caught my finger right at the base of the fingernail.